Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSG Tech with another short video, and today's video is about how to change RAM, how to replace RAM on a MacBook 2009 model. This particular model is MacBook A1181, which is a 2009 white model. You can change the RAM on this MacBook in under 2 minutes. All you need is a screwdriver and a prior tool to remove the battery from this side, which will do it now quickly. And then you can see there are 3 screws under here on this and this section, as you can see. So we're going to unscrew them to take you to the next step. Apply firm pressure. As soon as you apply firm pressure and unscrew them, you will see that the metal clip on top of them is slightly loose and they will come off easily. I think this one is still there. As you can see guys, that this is coming off very easily. Here we have 2 compartments. As you can see, these 2 latches. If you pull one of them, the RAM will come out. This one is an older 512 MB 2RX16 PC2 RAM. If you pull one from the left side, that's 1 GB 2RX16 PC2 RAM. So to replace them, all you need to do is to just put them back and apply firm pressure, and they will go back, and then you can put the metal plate back. So this is how you change RAM on a MacBook 2009 white body laptop. So I hope you have liked the video, and if you have any feedback or comments, don't forget to leave in the comment section below. See you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself and have a good day. Bye bye.